Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cloudflare Pages deployment for React apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. If you do not have an account, please create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the Pages option in the main menu. Next, select the Create a Project button. You will be prompted to connect your GitHub or GitLab account. Authorize Cloudflare to access your repository. Now, choose the React app repository that you wish to deploy. Click on Begin Setup after selecting your repository. In the Build Settings section, confirm the framework is React. For the production branch, use main or whichever branch contains your production code. Next, set the build command to npm run build. In the build output directory, enter build. Now, click on the Save and Deploy button to start the deployment process. Cloudflare will begin building your React app. You can monitor the build progress in real time. Once the build is complete, your site will be deployed automatically. You will receive a unique URL for your deployed app. Visit the URL to see your React application live. Make sure to test all features to ensure functionality. If you need to make updates to your app, simply push changes to your repository. Cloudflare Pages will automatically redeploy your app every time you push changes. This completes the setup for your Cloudflare Pages deployment with React apps. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of fast and reliable hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.